Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, for I know that my Redeemer lives, and at the last he will stand upon the earth. Alright, so I'm just getting the apartment so everybody can see that it is clean, and I know that it's clean. I just finished cleaning this out. Not that it was dirty. Like, it did have a little crumb, so I got all that out. So everything's good in here. Ice maker's working. I turned it in the off position. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the video, but I'm getting this for my knowledge, because, you know, you go to apartments sometimes and you don't want to be charged for anything. HVAC, the water tank is intact. Now, this fridge likes to keep stains of fingerprints, so I tried, but yeah. Sink is clean. That's what I was using. Everything's clean. That's all coming with me. Everything is clean here. Let me get up in here. Dishwasher. I did this in my last apartment, and I made sure that everything was good, because at the end of the day, sometimes people will come back to you and say, oh, you know, this wasn't working, or this, that, and the third. Those were my nails, so that's not theirs, but I'm gonna just leave it there because you never know, they might need them. This drawer is functional. These are working. See them in there. These are working. All right, so informational purposes only. Ew, what is that? Oh, that's dirt. All right, yeah, this drawer was like this when I moved in. I was like, ew, and I kept it as just like a junk drawer, because I wasn't putting no forks and spoons in there. Everything came the way it was. That's how I left it. I was like, I'm not gonna put any more, you know, work into anything that was already like it was. So here's the actual view of the whole living room, dining room area. I'm gonna come get it this way, but first, let me get the closet. All right, so closet is good, it's intact. Just the way I left it, just the way I got it when I got it. Ceiling fan, everything is intact, it works. I swept up everything, also vacuumed. Y'all seen that in my previous video. Oh, I do gotta get this chair out. I was trying to contact the super to see if he could bring it down for me, but I don't know. So here is the shades, they work. I just left them open for the sunlight. And then here's the closet. Everything is good in the closet. Same way I left it, same way it came. Same thing. And get up there. So this was my bedroom. Let me close this so I could get that. Wall jacks, everything still intact. Plugs still intact. I'm gonna get the bathroom. You already seen that I had cleaned the tub, but like I said, this is informational, so just in case they need a full video of, oh yeah, well this was left like this, I'm gonna say no, it wasn't. So this is the ceiling, everything is the same way. I cleaned the mirror off the best I could. Some things leave streaks, and I didn't have my vinegar Windex because I had already packed it. Oh, let me get that. All right, this drawer, well, I do have some of my hairs in here. I'll wipe that out. And this drawer is assuming, yeah, I had like clips and stuff going on in there, so I'll probably have to wipe that out. But other than that, everything is good. Toilet, they're gonna replace the seat. Oh, let me get the sink. Yay! Let me make sure I get this, because I forgot the top cabinet. Top cabinet is good. This is all good. I didn't even use those. I can't even reach. Hello. I can't even reach that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yo. I forgot I had Popeyes. Oh no, you think that's trash? That was literally yesterday. I'm about to heat that sucker up. Yo, dude. How do you forget you have food in the microwave? Like, what? Oh my God. Cabinet's good. Cabinets is good. Cabinets is good. All right, let me get this side. Cabinets is good, baby, yes. Yeah, I forgot all about, wow, I can't believe I had that in there. Hi babies. This store is amazing. I'm gonna do a video. Okay. Want to say hi or no? Okay. Aw, she is the sweetest person ever. What is your name? Angie? Yeah, she is the sweetest person ever. And this store, if you guys come to Dallas and you need to get like appliances or whatever, they have them here. They are refurbished, but they do work. And girl, I am getting me a fridge, okay? On the cheap. Look at this, washers and dryers. These are so pretty. Super excited, so I'm getting my fridge and I'm like, yes, the fridge was literally only like $6.50, so I'm so excited. Bye. All right, y'all, I got y'all on my kitchen island. I'm like, I'm so excited. But anyways, my countertop is a mess, but we have our boxes here and let's get putting these items away, okay? We need to see if these items made it in one piece. These are the glasswares I was telling you about and how I packed them from the other vlog. If you didn't see that, go watch it, because all you need to do is use what you have in your house to pack your glasses, okay? This is the first box. As you can see, I got 2 glasses in there. I also have coffee, my coffee here, and I put a towel on top so they don't break, and I also put a shirt on the side of them so they don't break. They made it. Ooh, where do I want to put my glasses? Ooh, I got options. Which one is this? Okay. In this box, as you can see, I got my coffee mug in here that my mom got me. Let love grow. Yay! It feels like a candle holder, or it should be a candle, you know what I mean? It's so big. I can use it for like my makeup brushes and stuff like that. So that I just packed with a scarf, and then my coffee mug I got from my church. It's good, it's still intact. And we'll get the scarf out, and then I've got 2 mugs on the bottom. Yes. This was a gift. Blessed mama. Got my little duck that my mom gave me. So we'll put coffee mugs up here. So far, so good. Everything is not broken, so I'm happy. Let's get into the next box. So these are like little bowls for, I don't know, salad dressing or whatever you want to put in them. So we've got these. Not too sure where I want to put these yet, so I'll just put them on the side. And then underneath the shirt, I've got all my other glasses. Bam! So I have my PJs on the bottom and I have my Yankee shirt on top. And they're all in one piece, honey. And the clothes are clean because everything was washed before I moved. I washed everything, so I'm happy about that. I think this is the one I packed with you guys. So let's take a look and see how these arrived. Yes! They are not broken, y'all. Everything is intact in there. Hopefully y'all can see that, but I'll show y'all. Everything is intact. So yes, fam, pack with your PJs and you'll be okay. The funny thing is, yesterday when I got here, I was looking for PJs to go to sleep in so bad. And I forgot I packed them in with my freaking glasses. They were right here. Got a second set of glasses right here on the bottom. Yes. So I actually switched up. I'm gonna put them over here. Oh, what's in here? Lots of goodies. Talk about a packing fool, Jesus. All right, this box is just the miscellaneous box, okay? But I do have his dog bowl, so I'm happy about that. I had literally poured his food on the floor because I didn't have his bowls, and they were right here all along. But yes, fam, let me know if y'all want to see like closet organization. I just wanted to show y'all really quick that the glasses is good, like everything came out good. Just pack with your PJs, honey, pack with your PJs, okay? I think that looks good there. I don't know, what do you guys think? Yeah, I know, I only got 3 chairs. That's because they broke in the other move. What y'all think? Starting to come together, huh? Let's pull out the rug. I think it's coming together. All right, so yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Got the rug down, tables there. Look how dirty. I pulled out everything over there. I'm just like, oh my God. It's all gonna come together, I promise. Right now, I'm just gonna head over to the car and get the food that was at the apartment. Ice. See, this is why I can't be holding y'all. Let me grab this and this. You just sitting there waiting for me? Let's put this up here with the rest of the mess. And the fridge should be coming. In the meantime, I might cook some eggs for Brady because I don't want them to go bad. This is all the food that was left in the freezer right here. Thank you, DoorDash. Yes, fam, we have a fridge, yes. This thing is humongous. I really did not think that it was gonna fit when they came in. Oh my gosh, they had to take my door off the hinges and everything. But besides little minor cosmetics, that's it. I mean, honestly, there's really nothing wrong with this. You see, like, it's a little smudged off right here. Ooh, big deal. And the water sign is a little smudged off. Big deal. So this is this fridge. Literally, y'all, like I said, that place that I was telling you about, the links will be down below if they have links. If not, I'm gonna leave their full address down there. And this is an LG, okay? Let me show you the inside. Look at this. Hold on, let me open it with both doors. And guys, I am flush up against my counter. Like, this is a beast. As soon as I opened this, I knew this was my fridge. Like, I knew. And it smells so good. Like, they cleaned it out and stuff. I do have to clean out a little bit more right there. But they cleaned it and everything. So yes, honey, this right here, this is so you can check on your ice maker, I believe, which is right here. Make sure that everything's functioning right. And then you just close that back like that. Dude, you see that? Yes. And then let me show you this. So I do have to wipe that off. It's a little bit of water stain, rust, or whatever you call it. But look at this. Look at all the space in here. I don't think y'all fully getting the gist. This is my counter. And this is the fridge extended all the way out. So I will have to open it from the side. You've got the pull-out drawer here. Like, your girl is happy. I can put all my food in the freezer. I'm ready. Look at this. Oh my God. Easy slide, easy glide. Like, I absolutely love it. And fingerprints, we all don't care about fingerprints. But this is beautiful. So you got the type of ice you can make. You got cubed or crushed. You got the refrigerator temperature, which is, I think that says 34. And then the freezer is on 2. And then you've got some other functions down here that I do not know about. But this is freaking cool. I think when you open it, wait, is it when you open it? Yeah. Okay, so the Ice Plus on, off, light water filter, and door alarm lock. Check that out. So that door alarm is so if anybody's staying over my crib and I hear that little beep, 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 beep going off, I know you was in my fridge eating my snacks, okay? But yes, honey, on to the next, on to the next. Oh, I'm so excited. Today is a great day, y'all. It is a great day. Comment down below and let me know if you think I should get brand new washers, because I actually ordered them. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna return them and send them back so that I can get washer and dryer from them. And it comes with a pedestal, honey, for $7.99. Like, yo, I think it's either $7.50 or $7.99. The whole, both set washer and dryer with both pedestals for $7.50. Like, you can't go wrong with that, for real. So, I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Because your girl will call up Home Depot and be like, canceled, baby. All right, fam, so I hope you enjoyed my little kitchen setup along with my refrigerator and everything else that went along in this vlog, okay? So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace out, bye for now. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking with me. And there's so much more because this house is huge. So yeah, look forward to closet organization, maybe cabinet organization. We got a lot to do, honey. We got a lot to do. And I still have to decorate my YouTube room, which I'm not too sure which one I want to be my YouTube room. But yeah, we still got to decorate that and stuff like that. So I'm super excited and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye.